Yep. Go for it, dude.
Okay.
You got this, man.
Aw, that ain't much.
Nope.
You'll be alright. Behind you, but don't look back.
You guys did it.
I'm going back there.
It's going. I'm catching up. Don't worry. You guys are rocking it, man.
Don't go this way. That's actually rough. Hi, peoples and viewers. He's a tiny little boy.
That is a tired little boy. Wow. Not that tired, I guess. Look at that, man. Nice. Naruto! Rollerblade jutsu!
Bye-bye. Bye.
All right, now for the jokes on wheels segment. All right, what's your joke, Camelot?
What do you call a cow with no legs?
A cow with no legs. I don't know what.
Ground beef. Moo.
Ground beef. All right, Lil, what's your joke?
Why did the pencil cross the road?
Why did the pencil cross the road? I don't know. Why?
Because it wanted to go to Pennsylvania. I'm catching up.
Nice. Oh my gosh, she almost ran me over.
Speaking of hydration,
Speaking. All right.
what does Bruce Lee drink?
What does Bruce Lee drink?
Yeah.
I don't know. What?
What's What's
Oh, train wreck. Oh no. What's up?
I am still victorious.
Good job getting right back up, Lil.
Oh, guys, look.
What?
Animals.
Animals?
Animals.
Oh, I see. Cool. We should look at all of these. Animals of the preserve. This is a preserve where these type of animals live.
Oh.
What's your favorite on the sign?
Ooh, I like the red shoulder hawk.
The red shoulder hawk right here.
I like this one.
Whoa. And Lil likes the, what is that called?
I have no idea.
It's called a possum.
I like possum.
Whoa, that's a hissy kitty.
But it says opossum.
Yeah, it does. That's how possum is spelled. Hey, look up there, guys.
Bat box!
It's a bat box. Why would they have a bat box out here?
Because bats come here at nighttime.
True. Why would they want them to live there, though?
Well, if a bat can't hold on to a branch,
Yeah.
it can hold on to the rails in the bat box.
Ah. Is there any other reasons why they would want bats around here?
I have no idea.
What are bats' main
a
source of
minute.
food?
Bugs.
What kind of bugs?
Mosquitoes.
Mosquitoes.
That's why people don't get hurt.
That's right. And have you guys been bitten by a mosquito all day long?
Oh yeah.
No, you haven't.
Wait, no, not today. Not today.
No, usually when we get bit here in the NC, it is no-see-ums. What's a no-see-um?
It's a really, really tiny mosquito that you can't
It's
see.
a gnat.
That's a really cute dog. Oh yeah, no see-ums are.
Nice to meet you, Mavis. Hey.
She's
Oh,
really
she's sweet.
Yeah, she likes to jump though. She's a
Does she?
jumper.
It's alright.
She's a good doggy.
That means jumps up on me every day.
Does she? Well, have a good day.
You too. Take care.
I noticed for younger viewers, this is Education with Kids.
Education with kids.
So these are all animals, including the bugs.
Yep.
And I will tell you each one of them. Look, I'm literally sweating.
Oh, you are. You are super hot. Oh, look at Cam. He
I-
is too.
I will tell you each name of every single animal.
Okay, do it.
Monarch butterfly.
Yep.
This one's an eastern box turtle.
Okay.
This is a red fox.
Uh-huh.
This is a possum.
Yep.
Spelled opossum.
Yep.
Red shoulder hawk.
Mm-hmm.
Carolina anole.
Yep.
Cricket frog.
Uh-huh.
How's that?
Cricket
What?
frog. Interesting.
Broken striped newt.
Whoa, cool. Which one of these things on this little billboard do we see all the time in the backyard? We do. We see a lot of butterflies, but also jaboom, like hundreds of those things. Not hundreds. That's a little exaggeration. But we see so many of those, don't we, Lil? Don't we see a whole bunch of these?
Yeah.
Like-
Lord. We actually see some of these in our backyard.
We saw one of those in our house, didn't we?
Yeah.
Remember when I caught it
Yeah,
and put it outside on the tree?
yeah, it looked just like that one.
It did. It did. All right, let's go. You ready?
Which way are we going? That
To
way?
the left, or actually to your right, my left. We're almost back to the car, guys, and then we're gonna get
Water.
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 All right. You love- You love spicy stuff, but you don't like milk?
Yeah.
What's the correlation in that one? What does spicy stuff have to do with milk?
Milk is spicy stuff, and once you drink the milk,
Uh-huh.
when you're eating spicy stuff,
Yeah,
it helps cool it down.
it does?
But you still have that little devil burning in your throat.
Yeah. True story. Whoa. Good save, Lil Bug.
I see you saying this.
Oh, yeah. Everybody head for the shade bench.
I wouldn't go so fast if I were you. It's downhill. You're gonna go straight past.
All right, so we are done with our, what did we call today? Education, Wildlife Education Day or something like that?
I don't even know.
Wrap it up. Okay, so what all did we see? Because I was really wanting to get a video of the two things that we saw, but I had no memory and I had to just delete a bunch of stuff later and do this. So what did we see?
We saw a black snake, a squirrel, and a blue-tongued skink.
That's right. So-
Thunderstealer.
No, she didn't steal your thunder. What's a blue-tongued skink? What is it? What does it look like?
It looks like a snake at first
Mm-hmm.
because of its really long tail.
Right?
It's basically just like a black lizard with a blue tongue and a really long tail.
Okay. Well, cool. What was the coolest thing that we saw? And wait a minute, I would like to say this. Who is the one that spotted the snakes? Both of them. What? Eagle Eye Lila. She saw the snakes from a long ways away and said, "Stop! Snake right there!" And we were like, "Whoa!" Luckily for us, it was a North Carolina black snake.
Those
And are they venomous?
no, they are not
No.
poisonous or venomous, but they do bite.
They do bite. Yeah. So you gotta watch out. They will bite you.
Still not.
But they take care of pests, rodents, and stuff like that, right?
Yeah, killing off population, so everyone has population.
But quick stop here. They did not bite us.
No, they didn't at
They
all.
did
No,
not.
they did not.
And what in the
So-
world are these things?
Hope you liked the video, guys. See you next time. Bye.